Alright, we are back, everybody, and we have to follow the chairman into the stadium. I really wish the chairman would put pants on. Hello. Story exposition, I think. No, energy exposition. Easy to understand description. I can't even read any of that. That's not even English. Oh yeah, make your secretary look bad. Actually, you don't need to do that. I think she can do that fine on her own. All right, head to the vault next. Okay. Should be this way. Yeah, I literally just walked out of there, girl. Invading. Oh, there's Leon. More story bits. First off, do you have anything to give? They call me Mr. Why not? I have a feeling I can get something out of this. Brian. Oh, right. I know this guy has a focus sash. Let's ruin his focus sash. I have to take 2 turns regardless. But this deals some damage, and then I kill next turn. Ha! You... That is a level 2 Cottony. Oh yeah, I forgot. This guy is literally Focus Sash level 2 Cottony with Endeavor. I was about to say, why do I have 13 HP? What level is that? I realized, wait, this thing's at level 2. And it was supposed to use that when it had 1 HP. That's a fucking interesting move. Alright, I got a Focus Sash. I don't really like using those because they get used up. So I don't usually use them in playthroughs because then they're just gone after that. And they're very vital items. He lost. I also just realized that the road design looked like dragon scales. That's so cool. That's a nice little detail. Yeah, she seems to run everyone around here. Rayhan and Leon's relationship as rivals is actually really cool. Like, normally you don't hear of champions with rivals, but I think it's really cool that of all characters, like, Leon has a rival in the form of the final gym leader, which I think is really cool. Super repel. Okay. What this? 2 hyper potions. Oh, cool. That'll be useful. If I'm correct, the vault should be right here. Ah, yes, and there's the man of the hour. You could have just asked me my name. I'm standing right here. Although then again, I don't think our trainer has a voice. I'm not here for you. Not yet. Rayhan, I've learned, is going to still be a problem because he doesn't exclusively use dragon types. If I'm correct, he has a Flagon, which I could probably check really easily. But he also has a Duraludon, which is part steel, which resists ice. He also has a, if I'm correct, a Gigalith for Sandstorm. And I think he has like a Torkoal or a Pelipper, something that activates a different weather condition. So I'm telling you right now, he's not going to be easy. Charm. Okay. What we got? It's Sonya! Woo! Yes, I am here. I don't think... I feel like you're getting a lot more from these tapestries than I ever would. You should ask Chairman Rose what caused the darkest day. I bet you he would know. I bet you he would definitely know. 2 revives. Oh yes, I forgot. We're still in the era where people just hand you everything the moment you meet them. Like, I'm actually beginning to think, why did I even buy revives? I was just gonna get a bunch from everybody around me. Alright. Let's move. Hey, man. Oh, right. I have those fossils and I can give them to, Caralis at the, the root with her fossil machine. Muscle band. Ooh, that'll be nice. If I had any physical... Wait, do I have any physical... I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's physical moves? Is like contact? I don't know. Hey, sir, what do you have? Bullet Seed, Fire Spin... Oh, wow, look at these options. No wonder they're 10,000 apiece. No thanks, sir. I think I'll pass. Ooh, wait, but can I buy anything better now that I've beat... Nope. Not full heals? Nope. Okay. I think I'll just be on my way then. Alright, so... Ooh. 2x attacks, okay. I think I'm gonna hold off on using any more candies from here on out. Oh, I remember this story. I don't have one. Oh, dude, I would totally. I did help that guy. Yeah, those moves, I can't learn any of them. Wow, I'm super limited when I have a boatload of ice types. Alright, well, we're gonna move on. Wasting enough time. I want to get to more exciting places, like this desert dust bowl of a route that we're going to encounter Team Yell right about now. Ooh, what a boy. So how about me? You gonna let me through? Wow, you are a dumbass. They are so bad at playing favorites. Or at least hiding it. Hey, honestly, just a bunch of dumbasses. You guys are the ones yelling and stomping, you dumbasses. Make your excuses a little better, why don't you? You might as well just say, nah, we're playing favorites. We want one person to win and we're going to be a nuisance to everybody else. Alright. I hit up the ice beam. I just realized I didn't realize that I was partially dead. Oh, right, I forgot. That caught me. Bye-bye. One shot, bitch. Extrasensory, hello? You are still a level 28 Vulpix. Heck yes. Adios, Disable. I want extrasensory. Also, Mark told me, I believe, that Moonblast is an egg move on this Pokemon, so... no. But we can still teach it Dazzling Gleam, which is just as good. Linoon, I'm going to send it Snowy because she needs training. We resist Dark at the very least. I kind of wish I had a Fairy move, but I don't. I'm going to need to find a TR for Dazzling Gleam at some point. Get some hail going. Oh right, Extrasensory has no effect. So we just use Ice Beam. Night Slash? Yeah, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? That's still about half my health. That is still exactly half my health. Okay. Snowy! Snowy, get back! Get back! Get back! You're probably gonna die if you take another Night Slash. I need to train you, but not that way. I need you to live. I resisted that too. Let's use Nature Power for fun. Let's not get hit by that again. Nature Power turned into Earth Power. Ah, yes. At least it's still special. So that was a crit. Does that mean I can potentially live this if it's not a crit? Oh, no, I'll live that. I'll live that, no problem. Well, okay, not no problem. I'm almost dead too, but... You know, I had a better chance of living something I resisted as opposed to living something that was neutral and crit most of my HP away. Alright, Neo, are you going to evolve this time? Well... No! Well, okay. They're Pokemon battles, sir! Of course they're gonna be noisy, no matter who you are! Also, yes, Neo's evolving. We now finally have our bigger ice cream going. I love vanilla. I love the vanilla line. I don't care what people say. Don't tell me that this is uncreative when Gen 1 had a pile of crud as a Pokemon. Ice cream. You lost here too? Buddy. I can understand losing to Bede. He's actually competent. These are Team Yell members. Pesky boy, I need you. I didn't get a chance to heal. Do I use my supplies or do I go to a Pokemon Center? Why is this Mamoswine just barely bigger than this, This Liepard's almost about the same size. Isn't Mamoswine supposed to be really big? I'm definitely going to miss my next attack, aren't I? Yep. Oh boy. A sand attack user. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. Okay, there we go. Please, yeah, thank you. I would rather not deal with constantly missing, so now I'm going to have no choice but to switch out. Oh, never mind. We're good. Why do you have to be such a bother? Hey, the one time I need you to do something, like, good for me. You want to just heal my Pokemon? He says those things because he's full of himself. Don't listen to him. Bro, of all the people you don't listen to, it's B. It's B. Don't listen to him. And the Silcobra's on his way. I was thinking of Sandaconda. The evolution. Oh, look, it's Opal. The only way we ever get any of these league cards is when the gym leaders just pop out of nowhere, give them to us, and leave. Oh, right, I also forgot. Opal's slow as heck. Almost let that one drop. I'm terrible at containing that. I know. And the reality is I definitely should be watching that a bit better. Especially if I do want to get on YouTube, it's best not to drop those kinds of words. So I'm going to do my best to try to cut back. But like when I'm in the heat of the moment, it's really hard. Alright, heal my Pokemon. 3 of them are near dead, 1 of them is poisoned. Thank you, Nurse Joy. Thank you for doing what you do. Oh, no, I didn't mean to that. I was doing the A button mashing again. Alright. Move. We're taking up too much time with Team Yellow and random gym leader encounters. Head to Stowe Onside. There's some weird city names. I mean, I guess to a degree, anything that's a random ass word is going to be weird. Hey. You're interested in my Pokemon, eh? It makes me really sad that my Pokemon's a Vanillish. I would like you to stop looking interested at my Vanillish, thank you. I would rather you not eat my Pokemon. Do not eat the Pokemon. I know I gotta take a turn. I don't like the sunlight. The sunlight's not helping. It's bad for my my skin, if you catch my drift. Oh, he Metro. Okay, he hit the fun button. Or she. Is that a she? Fusion Bolt! Ah, wait! Wait! Everything about that was hilarious. First off, that was a crit and that did nothing. Second of all, this Clefairy just whipped out Zekrom's signature move out of the blue. That's hilarious. Broski. The fun button always wins. Also, that was way better than getting Fusion Flare. Liquidation. Okay, that's another physical move I'm going to tank easily. That did... I wagered that did more than Fusion Bolt did. Fusion Bolt was a crit. That was not a crit. And that, I'd argue, did more than the crit Fusion Bolt. Everything about Fusion Bolt is also leagues better than Liquidation. You're not getting stabbed from either. Your Clefairy is a more bulky Pokemon. I don't think it's a attacker at all. Oh my goodness, that was... You know what? What's your name? I want... Anita. Thank you for hitting the fun button. You are a trainer worth battling. Oh my goodness, that was hilarious. Well, let's go again. I absolutely love Metronome. Present! Ow. And that arguably did more than both the other moves. Oh my goodness, this is the most fun. This is one of the most fun battles I've been in a long time. Darn shame that had to end in 3 turns. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you so much. That was a stellar ending. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'm gonna need to go and recover my lungs from that one. That was hilarious. So, we will see you guys in the next episode, which unfortunately will probably contain like 100% less Metronome. We'll see you guys then.